A group of concerned Christian individuals under the banner of the Presbyterian Youth Today, or PYT, had recently held a press conference at the Shillong Press Club to inform about the construction of a new school at Domiasiat in the name of late Mei-ieid Spility Lyngdoh Langrin, who had played a very important role in the fight against uranium mining in the state. Speaking to the media, the chairman of the construction committee of the Presbyterian Youth Today International, Dr. Bremley W Lyngdoh, said that the construction of the school would cater to the needs of residents of Domiasiat, whose government LP school had been closed down in 2007. This new school would be different in that vocational courses would be taught to students, and at the same time, such students would be encouraged to pursue higher studies in other states to enable them to gather knowledge and thereafter return to their homeland to work and contribute towards the development of the entire area. Also present at the press conference were Deacon Paul Soklet, who led the PYT team in their visit to Domiasiat, as well as members of PYT Construction Committee, Ms. Dayapira Kharsati and Ms. Sami Ornella Hua.
Kanika school committee bersyukur tang kataka embos. Nginabi kai keyboard gitu kena pas untuk kilan em ban yang kerja lalu kilan em ban rap ban riang ban rijingri. Ki vocational training ruki hab done. Namar ba ngima ban expect yaki begini wa kam shabar ni wa kam sarkar. Matali kam sarkar don't show. Forget about it. In hab training ki begini ban long ki entrepreneurs kai. Ingin habi kai ruki kerja training ki vocational training ki practical training agri base horticulture base animal husbandry. Kumno ban rimasi, kumno ban riblang, kumno ban shna coffee, kumno ban sha, kumno ban shna juice, jam, kumno ban la ecotourism pungtang. Balai ni lai pula pesa ban university bala nang la don ka buat ban seng la ka jom ka by business lawan ai ki scholarship, ki fellowship, ban pa ki vocational training kum hadon basko hai ai. Tentu pakin sawan bang sheshnong ban tre ban ai kam no para kena samla.